as an initiative to visit far-flung areas and in order to complement the government efforts aimed to fight the pandemic, Kashmir Care Team, headed by Dr. Nazma Nazir in collaboration with Civil Society Kupwara, led by Shaukat Masoodi, today distribute COVID-19 toolkits consisting of sanitizers, thermometers, masks, PPE kits among doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, patients, attendants and general masses. Medical staff SDH Kupwara, civil society members along the general masses thanked the organization for this help which was the need of the hour. On the occasion, one of the senior member of the society, Dr. Samina Basu, said, "We believe the exercise will help the specific area to reduce the COVID-19 infection, and the main motto is that people would adopt appropriate COVID-19 behavior to break the chain," she further said.
By a like-minded group of people who want to serve the community through NGOs and Mohalla communities. So it is not an NGO, it's a non-profit initiative with the idea behind it that we can reach out to far areas and educate the people and break the chain of infection. So what we have done, we have achieved it in 3 ways. So presently we have concentrated first on these NGOs by facilitating them with these oxygen concentrators, digital thermometers and masks and sanitizers. So these Mohalla communities and these NGOs give that. Secondly, what we have done, although at a small scale, we have started by providing of paramedical staff, nursing care for those patients which are not able to take care, like terminally ill or which are homebound COVID patients. And another way, what we have taken some specific areas in the city, some districts, through which we can reach those areas, we can educate them, we can provide them with all the necessary medical supplies so that there is a sort of chain is broken. If for example, we are in this hospital today, we have chosen this as a Kashmir Care COVID drive for Kupwara District Hospital. The aim is here, we are covering all the 3 areas. We are giving it to the patients, attendants, which are in close contact with the COVID patients, thus ensuring that chain is broken there. At second level, we are giving it to the paramedical staff and the doctors. So this covers, and then we have also given these kits to these near to the public areas. So by this, we want to motivate and to generate and want of the public to take these measures, SOP measures. Care has been started by Mrs. Nazima Nazir, who is working tirelessly to make this a success. And likewise,